VACUU LAN lab vacuum systems provide a modular alternative to central lab vacuum systems for both new and renovated laboratory spaces, ideal for individual labs and building-wide systems. Small, quiet, oil-free pumps mounted in or near the lab support multiple vacuum users at benches, fume hoods, and biosafety cabinets. Multiple networks are easily combined to create a full building vacuum system with hundreds or even thousands of vacuum valves. VACUU LAN lab vacuum systems provide a complete, reliable vacuum system that can be extended to create a complete fluid aspiration system for biosafety cabinets. VACUU LAN lab vacuum systems provide deeper, more stable vacuum than central systems, reducing the need for space-wasting, instrument-dedicated pumps. Modular installation eliminates interlab cross-contamination risks. The technology even mitigates cross-contamination risks within the lab through integrated check valves. Fluoropolymer tubing and pumps are more chemical resistant than traditional copper pipes, ensuring corrosion-related leaks don't compromise system performance or building-wide safety over time. Vacuum is produced on demand, not round the clock like central systems, saving energy and extending service intervals to many years in most cases. Installation is simple. Tubing cutters and box wrenches are all that's required to cut the tubing and make the compression connections. No soldering is required, and the modular designs let you install vacuum you need today and adapt as your needs change over time. Dry, chemical-resistant pumps consume no water or oil to operate, saving thousands or even millions of gallons of water a year from waste and pollution, compared with water aspirators and water ring pump central system pumps with no messy oil service intervals. Overall, VACUU LAN lab vacuum systems provide scientists the vacuum depth, stability, and isolation they need. A sustainable, adaptable vacuum system with operating savings year after year. VACUU LAN lab vacuum systems from VACUU Brands and Brandtech Scientific are the reliable, modular, and sustainable way to provide lab vacuum in modern lab facilities.